about the case study on partial order planning. So before entering into the topic, we are going to discuss something about what is artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is nowadays it is a rapid growth in real world applications. So it is used to reshape our future in day-to-day life. So in this, the heart of the artificial intelligence is the AI planning. So AI planning plays a major role for solving the real world applications or real world critical problems in day-to-day life. In this, we are going to discuss a case study on partial order planning. So my students are going to discuss about the case study on partial order planning.
The partial order planning is one of AI planning approach where actions are ordered in flexibility, and this approach is mainly focuses on identifying actions and their relationships without specifying any kind of executions. And then the partial order planning, some actions order between is not fully determined. Let's take an example real world, the warehouse automations.
Let's see an example of partial order planning. So wearing a shoe and socks will be an easy example for it. First, if we start to wear a shoe, we can first wear left sock on, and then we can wear left shoe, or else we can first wear right sock on, and then we can wear right shoes. At the end of the day, we should wear both right shoe and left shoe. We can follow it by any other ways, but at the end of the day, the primary motive is to wear left shoe and right shoe. First, so let's see this example solution for that. In the initial stage, the goal is to wear right shoe and left shoe on. Then initialize the process, action, right shoe. In this, the precon will be right sock on, and the effect will be right shoe on. Then in left shoe, the precon will be left sock on, and the action will be right shoe on.
Now we can see a case study on automated warehouse management system. So in this system, we will be implementing an AI-driven warehouse system for an e-commerce company. So we use partial order planning for this system. So the problem statement is that there could be situations where we need to handle orders based on the priority. So for that purpose, we need dynamic. Seeing a case study based on the topic automated warehouse system. So in this system, we will be implementing an AI-driven warehouse management system for an e-commerce company. We use partial order planning for the system. So basically, the problem statement is nothing but there could be situations where we need to highly prioritize particular orders. For this purpose, we need to use dynamic order prioritization. And then in a busy warehouse, there could be situations where robots and workers should be coordinated together for a particular process. So in this term, for this purpose we use parallel task execution, and then there could be situations where inventory shortages could happen or equipment failure could happen. So for this purpose, there could be handling of unexpected events should be taken place. So the solutions could be obtained by partial order planning.
So the solution focuses on how AI system uses partial order planning in order to manage the warehouse operations efficiently. So this is about the AI system was designed with a POP based planner to handle warehouse operations dynamically. There are some kind of divisions in order to get these solutions. The first one is task decomposition, which means the AI broke down order fulfillment into subtasks. Those subtasks are picking items from the inventory, transporting items to packaging stations, unpackaging and dispatching. And the second subtask is flexible action ordering, which means instead of following a fixed sequence, the system allows the following applications like a parallel execution, which means multiple items can be mixed at once, and reordering task, which means dynamically based on the priority that we give. Next is the interleveling actions. When a new high priority order arrives, the old will get detached. And the next subtask is real-time adjustment. If a robot encountered a block path, the system follows the certain rules, which means adjusts its route without affecting overall planning. and reassign tasks in order to robot if needed. So it allows action to be planned partially without changing its environment like warehouses.
Partial order planning has many benefits such as it allows process to be performed step by step as long as the dependencies are maintained, and the process can be also processed parallelly as they will work at the same time, and so it is very useful for a large projects as sequence orders are maintained. As there is advantage, there are also disadvantages also available. If there is many tasks which can be performed parallelly, it would make productivity.
So the disadvantages of partial order planning are complex in planning, resource overhead, potential for conflicts, unpredictability, dependency in real-time data, initial setup complexity. Thank you.